Welcome to RaiGoodFood.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create currency converter application using Python. So, if you want to convert some currency from different country to different country like USD to INR, that is dollar to INR, then it's very much possible you can convert it. For this, we will need one API. So before proceeding further, let me show you how we can get an access of API. So this is apilayer.com where you will find it out the fixer, which is the foreign exchange rates and currency conversion API. When you will click on this will navigate to a fixer.io website where you will find out the JSON or API for conversions. So you can see here JSONs are listed like base is USD, date and rates. So whatever rates is already defined in this API, you will find it out the result accordingly. Even you can create your own API and host it on your particular server. That will also work for you. So from here you have to create sign up account. Once you will create a sign up account on fixer.io, you will get an email to verify an account with the link as well as the API keys. So once you'll click on the verify account, this will navigate to on this page where your API access key is available and the link which you have to paste it for generating or currency conversion is this, and you have to use this API access key. So we are going to use these two details inside our Python code so that the currency will be converted in like this format. So let's see how we can create it using Python and NumPy programming language. This is basically a required API access. So here we are going to import requests, and based on that we are going to create our Python program so that it will convert currency from different country to different country. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for amazing video. So let's begin with this. Here I am going to import requests. So this will help us to get all these API related keywords. Now I am going to create here as a class as a currency converter, and based on this class we are going to define different attributes. So if you can see in this foreign exchange website, you will find it out rates are basically a keywords inside the JSON file so that we can get these attributes. There's the 170 world countries are listed here. You can use any of the country. So here I want to capture rates field. Reads, then space equal to, and then curly brace. Now we have to define a functions where we can add init and then self comma URL. So URL which we are going to use this one. Now our definition is done. Let's enter and define the data. So what data we are looking forward inside the request, we are going to define here request dot get and the URL which we have requested .json. So this is a JSON file. Because of that we are using JSON. If you have XML, you can also use your XML. So this will create empty dictionaries to store the conversion rate, and based on that we are going to Based on that, we are going to extract this detail. So for extracting, we are defining here self rates equal to data. Inside that, in between double quotes, we are defining here the rates field which we are capturing from that. This is a function to be a simple cross multiplication between the amount and the conversion rate. For this, we are going to create a new function here. So for creating a new function, let's define convert. So for converting, we have to build the logic so that our conversion will work. Here we are using self comma from currency comma to currency. So here we are defining two things. One is which currency to which currency we are converting. Now we are adding amount. These all things we are going to declare at the end so that user can give the input. Based on that, they can find it out the result. So initial amount equal to amount, then if from currency not equal to EUR, then this will show amount equal to amount divided by self dot rates. Now here we are giving it a from currency. So this is a from currency keywords which we are using. Now if we want to limiting the precisions to decimals only, then we have to build logic again. Otherwise it will show us the multiple preceding decimals. So amount here, amount equal to round off is a function name which we are using here. Inside the round off, we are giving amount into self dot rates and then to currency. So it is going to be used post currency conversions. So we want only 2 decimals value. Now if we want to print this value, then we have to print functions, then 3 curly braces space, then equal to 2 curly braces again. So this will gives us some value like in this format, and then dot format initial amount which we have declared, comma from currency, comma amount, and then to currency. Now both the round brackets are closed. Let's do it for the driver code which is going to drive here. So here I am creating if and then name, then equal to in between double quotes and the value, mean this and the colon, so that this will become some definitions. Post this, we are going to use that URL or create an URL for our access key, and after we are entering our access key, we will get the access of API. So here we are using dot underscore add and then the URL in between round brackets. Here I am going to use this URL. Now post that we need to enter space and the key which we have received it from this website. So this is my key. I am going to copy and paste this key. Now it's done, and next we want the currency conversion variable. So equal to C equal to currency converter C underscore converter and then URL which will use it. Now we are going to take here user input. So from currency equal to input from user. So for taking an input, we are defining here from currency the text which we can see here. So from country and here next to country three, then 2 underscore equal to input. Here the text would be to country and colon. Third input we want for amount. So amount equal to input. So it will be in integer, then input, and this will give us the amount text here. Now we are done. Let's convert this value. So C dot convert from country comma to country and the amount. Now we are done. Let's run this and see the result, how it looks. Here we have some error in the main. So from country, let me give the here INR, then to country UR, and the amount I am giving here 2300. So you can see 2300 will becomes 26.0 euro. So this is how it will working and how we can create our currency converter by using Python. So we will need the request or the API for converting these currency. You can create your own API, or you can use it the existing API which is available in market. So that's all about currency converter in Python. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session and you think so it's valuable, kindly share within your circle. Thank you for watching.